Hello there. I believe everyone is doing good. This is Kailash, and I am an alumnus of Netaji Subhash University. Well, back at my time, it was Netaji Subhash Institute of Business Management, or you can call it NSIBM. So, the journey to the city of Jamshedpur and from Jamshedpur to Hyderabad has been an exciting one. So, like I said, I am an alumnus of Netaji Subhash group. So, I am from a batch of 2014-17, a BCA grad. I completed my grads in June 2017, and since August of 2017, I have been working in Deloitte Consulting as a big data analyst. So, decision making could turn out to be tough at some point of time in one's life. So, when I cleared my high school education from a science background, I could see that majority of the folks are either planning to pursue engineering or planning to pursue medical. But something created a spark, and it made me decide that why not pursue something different where I could be having some extra time to acquire new skills, which was definitely going to help me in my future, be it in a personal front or a professional front. So I came to know about this institution, Netaji Subhash Institute of Business Management. One fine day, I visited Jamshedpur, and I must say the city had been very dynamic, very vibrant, and very welcoming in terms of all the thing it offered me in the time span of 3 years. And whatever I am today, or wherever I'll be in the future, I believe it is all possible because of the time I spent in Jamshedpur and the education I received in this particular university. So, mm 18th of August 2017 was my very first day in this institution, and as I recall, we were in auditorium in the middle of certain new faces. So it was our orientation ceremony, and I got to hear a lot from various eminent people across the industry and across the academic profiles. So overall, it was a very good session, and the very next day we were taken for a city tour where we visited various landmarks and heritages of the city, and ended up doing networking where I came to know all the faculty members, all the peers, and all my batchmates. And the very next week we were in our classroom, and our academics got kicked off. So w- as a batch, we knew that we are in a pool of a great and highly qualified faculties, right from the likes of Professor Tanveer, Professor Santra, Professor Trilochan, Professor Tiwari, Professor Ravi Shankar. These were our domain faculties who conducted our IT papers, and Professor Bhadra and Professor Oja, they used to conduct our English and communications, and there was Professor OP Sharma, who would hone our skills in terms of soft skills, interpersonal skills, and personality development. And we also had the opportunity to learn from Professor Gautam Ghosh in terms of entrepreneurship, Professor Banga in terms of overall business and operations, and Professor Rajesh in terms of accounting. So the learning overall in this institution was a great one, and I feel very good when I look back that I was in the hands of these eminent faculties, and I have cultivated a lot of learnings from that particular institution. So, as I can say, the learning and the academics and the delivery of the education in that particular institution was more of like a practical based. It was not kind of like you just learn from the book, you are just mugging it up and you are just writing it in the examination. It was more of like a learning, and how, and coming to the conclusion that how we gonna implement it in the real life scenario, and how we would be doing it in the how we would be implementing this and solving some major problems in the real life basis. So that was one of the major learnings, and that is what got me carried. The pedagogy of this institution in terms of learning and delivery of the academics was par excellence, as I can say. And like I said, we had great set of faculties, so that was like a feather in the crown for us. So my academics and the days in college were very good, I mean, but at some point of time it was becoming very monotonous that you're boarding a bus in the morning, coming into that building and spending 8 to 9 hours, and again catching your bus and going back to your home and spending your me time and doing and putting your times in the skills and the hobbies which you want to add to yourself other than your academics. So one fine day I came to know that we will be having a college event called Explore, and as far and if I speak today, I believe that Explore doesn't need any introduction at this point. As I'm speaking today, Explore doesn't need any introduction at this point of time because it has become an household name for the people in the city of Jamshedpur. So, mm yeah, we had a great opportunity to bring it to a successful closure, and the entire students of that particular institution participated in it, and we brought it to a successful closure in that particular year. And since then, the legacy has been going on, and I believe it will still keep going for the coming days as well. So, along with Explore, I also had the opportunity to be a part of other college events like organized by Red FM, or there was a city based event uh, called Jamshedpur Carnival. So, I have very fond memories with all of it. And as I remember, for the Red FM event, we won that competition for consecutive 2 years and brought the laurels to the institution. So overall, from the academics front, it was a very good experience in all those 3 years. And in the terms of extracurricular activities, I had exposure to certain events like being a part of a cricket tournament in that uh, in being a part of cricket tournament, that inter college tournament organized by the university, or inter college athletics meet. So these are the special things which are still alive in the memory. And there was also a occasion where I got the opportunity to lead a team from NSIBM for the event organized by Confederation of Indian Industry and in collaboration with XLRI. And I thank Professor Bhadra, Professor Rajesh, and Professor Ravikant for this, and giving me such a great opportunity to hone my skills in terms of management and leading the team for the college. So overall, it was a great journey and great time I spent in the span of 3 years in the city and in that particular institution. So if you ask me for a one piece of suggestion or advice, that would be a suggestion from my end would be like, don't be bothered about results, or don't be worried about it, because a result is the end. A result is the output of the process which you have been doing. So if you keep working on your process on a daily to daily basis, you keep enhancing it, you keep working on it, you try to excel on it on a daily basis, so obviously your results gonna be beyond perfect. So that is the particular piece of suggestion which I would like to give at this point of time. And yeah, in terms of opportunity, uh, it is like sometimes the opportunity might come to you, or you might have to look for opportunity, but it has always been like that. Opportunities come at that time only when you are trying hard for it. So whenever there is a decent opportunity, or any kind of opportunity, just try to grab it. One should never be like that, okay, this is the opportunity, let it come, then only I am going to take it, or I'll look into it. It's not kind of thing. So it's not that kind of thing. So whenever there is an opportunity, one should just try to grab it and make the best out of it. And if you ask me for one particular advice, so what I can say is like, once you are in the institution or once you are in the college, and mark my words, these days are not going to come back, no matter you are a part of a 3-year program or a 4-year program or a 2-year program for a MBA or MCA. So when you are in this institution, try to give all you have, give your best, because once you are out of the institution, these days are not going to come back, and you might end up regretting that wish at that point of time. I would have done this, I would have done that, I would have put some extra effort at this particular thing, and which could have added to my personality development, or which could have added to my skills or academics. So these 3 to 4 years are the very crucial years, and it's not like it would be full of academics or full of hard time spending with the books, or your laptops or your presentations. It's just a learning experience, and you, at the end of the day, the result has to be in a fruitful manner. So that's all I can suggest, is like, give your best and enjoy the time in this college and the institution, because like I said, once you're out, you might end up regretting. So that is pretty much from my end. And with that, I would like to bring this to closure. Till then, uh, have a good time, and looking forward to see all of you. Till then, take care and bye bye.